Good morning, first grade. Today, for part of your spelling, we are going to be looking at ABC order. And on the other side is your fancy letters, your fancy words. So, we're going to take a look at ABC order this morning. Remember that if words are in ABC order, they are in order starting with A and going all the way to Z. It would be just as if you were using something called a dictionary. That's how you look words up in the dictionary. And you can see I'm just underlining the different letters that we are using today. So remember that we will start at the beginning. We always start with A, and we go until we get to a letter that is in our words. So we have L, S, R, M, B, H, M, so two M's and a C. So what are we going to get to first? We have like, spike, ride, hide, bike, mine, make, and came. So let's go ahead. A, B, C. I like to put an underline at C because that's where I'm stopping. Because my first word is here already. The word is came. C-A-M-E. Came. And you can either put an X by it since we use it, or you just cross it off one time. You know that we won't go any farther. But oh my goodness, did we make a mistake? Good thing we use pencil when we do our work. Didn't we have a B here? Bike? Doesn't B come before C? Oh, yeah. Use that eraser. Erase it. We have to start with the B. B comes first before C. B, I, K, E, bike. My goodness. Cross it off. Can't believe it. Then after bike comes came. See, we all make mistakes first grade. It's what we do with it. We can sit and pout and whine and complain about it, or we can just fix it. And we are choosing to fix it. So, B comes before C. So, we're done with B. Now we're done with C. We have to keep going. L, S, R, H, or M. D, E, F, G, H. Okay, we're stopping at H. The word is hide. Hide. H. I. D. E. Hide. Okay, we're done with H now. We have L, S, R, and M. I, J, K, L. We come to L next. The word is like. L-I-K-E, like. Cross it off. So you have 4 words left. You have spike, ride, mine, and make. We did the first 4 together. You are responsible for the last 4. We stopped at the letter M. So now you have to figure out which letter comes next. M, R, or S. I see 2 with the letter M. Remember what you need to do. Since they both have the M, you have to go to the next letter. One of those letters comes before the other. Okay, get those written correctly. On the back side, remember this is your fancy words. You get to go ahead and make them however it is that you want to make them. So this word like, maybe I'm just going to make it like that. It's my word like. Or maybe I'm going to make it with my fancy cursive writing. Okay? You get to decide what you're going to do. You could do dots. As you're doing this, though, I would like you to be saying it out loud. I want you to be saying your letters. So as I'm writing spike, I'm going to say S, P, I, K, E, spike. Okay, and you're going to do that all the way down. Pick whatever you want to do for your fancy words. Make your own fancy letters up, however you like to do it. Sometimes I like to make mine like this, where I put little dots on the end. And because there's plenty of room, I want you to do each of them 2 times, just like I've done here. You can do it 2 of the same way or do it 2 separate ways. Like here with the word like, I wrote it 2 different ways. For spike, I wrote it the same. Maybe for ride, I'm going to make it like this. Okay, that would be 2 different ways as well. You're going to go ahead and do this whole sheet. Make sure that you do it 2 times. Make sure that your ABC order, that you have finished 5, 6, 7, and 8 with the 4 words that you have left. And when you're done, this goes back into your Thursday folder. Hi, first grade. Today, for our Read It, Write It, Paste It, we actually are working on a Unit 2 mixed review. So what this means is that we are looking at words that we've seen before. And this is a good review for us because sometimes when we're done with words and we're done with different phonics ideas that we're working on, it's like you learned it and then now you kind of just lose it. But we don't want to lose it. We don't want to lose these words. These are important words for us to be able to remember and to be able to spell and to be able to write out. So today for this activity, you will need to have out your Read It, Write It, Paste It sheet. You'll need a scissors, you'll need your pencil, and you'll also need a glue stick. I'm going to read these words for you. You are supposed to repeat them after me, please. Again. Send, could, thing, whale, graph, bread, head, wink, catch. So, now as you know, you have all the words at the bottom of this page. You should go ahead and cut them, and then you will have your top section appear. Okay? Now, you will read your word and write your word and cut and paste your words. Remember that you are cutting along the black lines here, all the way over. Okay, you want the lines to stay what they are, because it will help you to have your words in your spots correctly. So, I'm going to just pick a word here. And the word that I chose is the word catch. So I'm going to find the word catch. Oh, it's down here at the bottom. Catch. I need to write the word catch. C-A-T-C-H. Write it nice and neat. Write it with all lowercase letters. And now I need to glue the word catch. I'm going to glue it onto the back of the paper of my word and then glue it in. Now you'll notice once again, it's not as long as our area is here. So please make sure that you are only gluing the back of your word. Don't glue the whole area where it says paste, or you will have a sticky mess. You're going to do the same thing for your other words. When this whole sheet is completed, double check that your name is on it, and then you will go ahead and put this in your Thursday folder.